It looks like I'm wearing two different sandals. Let me cross the street. Of course. Everybody gotta wait for the king to cross the street. Okay, this is my Sonata. I'm gonna replace the air filter. I'm gonna show you ladies how to replace an air filter. And also for some men's. Let's go, buddy.
And more.
It just got chills, bitch.
You got chill, okay.
For your award season fix.
Okay, I'm recording as well.
DJ isn't forced to flip from station to station.
Okay.
Commercials, and trying desperately to find a signal where you're not forced to resolve.
It's cold today, god damn it.
Played game to kill time. Stop imagining.
Who's parking like this? An asshole? That's actually my roommate. What an asshole.
And your music stays with you.
He doesn't care about other neighbors. What an asshole. Okay, here we go. We get this filter from Amazon. It's a premium filter from what they said. Well, let me see if we got something. Yeah, this is a premium brand that Amazon has. It's called A Premium. Yeah, this is the brand. It's A Premium. Let's see how is this shit go. How is it looking? There we go. This is our filter. Let's take our old filter out. Make sure we replace the filter. This is a nice filter. Okay. So the filter is here next to the battery. There we go. Oh god damn. Usually the car will start consuming more gas and stuff like that. The air filter is very important. So make sure it's the same size. Good. Slick there. Make sure it's all in. Let's put the bottom one first. Here we go. Here's our new filter. You see the old one? God damn. God damn. It's pretty bad.